Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to try another recipe. We are making chicken. So my chicken is somewhat not fully defrozen, but I don't have time to wait for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into pieces, and then I will marinate it for like 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll be good to go. So let me cut the chicken, then I'll go in the next procedure. So guys, after nearly finished cutting up this chicken, so I rinsed it in some cold water. Then we're going to marinate these with our spices. I don't know what are your best spices. I don't know what you like most, but after transferring this here, we're going to spice it up and let it sit for like 30 to 45 minutes, and then we can go on and cook it. So I'm done rinsing. So as usual, I have my paprika. So I'm gonna use the lid to measure. I don't put too much. So I think this is enough because it's a full chicken. And then we have garam masala. I really used it. It's almost finished. So that will do. And then I have mixed spices over here. I'm not going to put salt when marinating. I'll put my salt when cooking. Then I have another seasoning. Yeah, I'm going to put like 2 tablespoons. Actually, these are teaspoons here. 2 of them. That will do. And then we're going to mix this together. So if you don't see your chicken mixing well, you can add like a teaspoon of oil, cooking oil or vegetable oil, and then mix it. It helps the spices stick to the chicken. Yeah. So you mix them thoroughly, and then we're going to let them sit for like 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll go in the next step. So see you shortly. So guys, I am done marinating the chicken, and I've already put it on the pan. I'm going to be using this to bake the chicken in the oven. So as usual, I'm going to preheat my oven for like 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and then I'm gonna set my oven to cook the chicken for like 45 to 50 minutes, or until you get your desired results. Most of the time I like to make sure that my chicken cooks really well and dries up really well, not too much and not too wet also. So we're going to take this to the oven, and we're going to give it enough time and see how it's gonna turn out, and then I'll come back with the results. And yeah, before I forget, behind the scenes, I added some spices to my chicken when I was marinating it, because there are some spices that I really love that I cannot do my chicken without. I love lemon, so I squeezed some lemon juice and added it to the chicken while it was marinating. And I also grated some ginger and garlic and squeezed out the juice and also put it in the mixture. So my chicken rested for like 45 minutes to an hour because I was cooking something else. Yeah, so you can always make sure that you marinate your chicken with all your favorite spices to ensure that you get the best flavor from your chicken. Just do it good. Make sure you do everything that's gonna please your taste buds. Yes. Okay, so I'm taking this to the oven and then I'll come back with the results. See you in a short while. So guys, that is the chicken. It's ready. Looks yummy and soft. So it's done. You can do anything else you want to your chicken. You can add more spices, or you can maybe make a sauce or a stew to go alongside with it. You can eat the chicken alone, but it's nice. So let me know what you think on the comment section. Let me know if you try the recipe. Let me know how it turns out, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.